Hello guys, welcome to Max Math Games, and the question of the day is: a man has 7 friends, 4 ladies and 3 gentlemen. His wife also has 7 friends, 3 ladies and 4 gentlemen. In how many ways can the couple invite for a dinner party 3 ladies and 3 gentlemen, so that there are 3 of man's friends and 3 of wife friends? Pause the video if you want to give this question a try, and then resume the video when you want to check out the solution. Alright, so now let us check out the solution. The possible number of ways can be listed as follows. That is the possible number of ways in which the couple can host a party. Out of man's friends, there are 3 gentlemen, and the possible number of ways is that the man can invite either all 3 of those gentlemen, or 2 of those gentlemen, or only 1 of those gentlemen, or none of those gentlemen. So these are the 4 possible cases in which the man can invite his male friends. And now, because the man has already invited 3 of his friends, then he cannot invite any of his ladies friends. So 0 invitees, because there are 2 invitees here, so he can invite 1 of his female friends. There is 1, so he can invite 2 of his female friends, and because it is 0, and he can invite 3 of his female friends. Now, because there are 3 gentlemen already invited in the party, so the wife cannot invite any of her male friends, and hence this quantity will be 0. Next, because only 2 gentlemen have been invited so far, quantity here will be equals to 1. Only 1 has been invited so far, so the quantity here will be equals to 2, and none of the gentlemen have been invited over here, so the wife has to invite 3 gentlemen to the party. And again, this quantity plus this quantity should be equals to 3, and hence we will have 3 over at this place, 2 at this place, 1 at this place, and 0 at this place. So these are all the 4 possible cases for the couple to have their party at their home. So now the question arises, what will be the number of ways in which these 4 cases can be implemented? And for that we need to understand a basic concept of permutations and combinations, that is the concept of combinatorics, and that is the number of ways of selecting R objects out of given n objects is given by NCR, and NCR is given by the formula n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Alright, so here we have 3 gentlemen and all 3 have been invited, so the number of ways of doing this is going to be 3C3, and 3C3 is equals to 1. 3C3 is the number of ways in which you can select 3 objects out of 3 given objects, so this quantity is equals to 1. Similarly, the number of ways of inviting 2 friends out of 3 given friends will be given by 3C2. Here also 3C1, and here 3C0. Now 3C2 is equals to 3, 3C1 is equals to 3, and 3C0 is equals to 1. Now in these cases, this will be selecting 0 objects out of 4 objects, 4C1, 4C2, 4C3. I think you can calculate all of this on your own, and this quantity will be 4C0, 4C1, 4C2, 4C3. Here 3C3, 3C2, 3C1 and 3C0. So multiplying all of these quantities at this place, we get that the number of ways for the first case will be 3C3 into 4C0 into 4C0 into 3C3, and that will be equals to 1. For the second case, 3C2 into 4C1 into 4C1 into 3C2, and that will be equals to 144. For the third case, we have 324, and for the fourth case, we have 16. So adding all of these quantities, we get that the total number of ways in which the party can be hosted is given by 485, and that is the answer to this question. I hope you have understood everything taught in this video. Thank you.